Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program that generates the first n Fibonacci numbers using recursion. The Fibonacci sequence is a classic example of breaking a problem into smaller steps. We'll explore how recursion makes this possible in a clean and readable way. Let's start by understanding the problem. We want to create a list of the first n Fibonacci numbers, starting from 0 and 1. Each new term is the sum of two terms before it. For n is equal to 8, we get 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. Let's dive into the JavaScript code that generates this sequence recursively. We define a function named Fibonacci series with a parameter n. If n is 1 or less, we return the base series 0 and 1. Otherwise, we call the function with n minus 1, add the last two terms, and return the updated sequence. This continues until we reach the base case. This function grows the sequence one term at a time using recursion. It keeps calling itself with smaller n values until it reaches the base case. Each call adds the sum of the last two terms and builds the final array. Let's analyze this with an example. Let's walk through an example with n being 8. Each call generates the sequence for n minus 1, then adds the next term. We keep adding terms until the sequence has the required length. This gives us the final sequence of 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. The Fibonacci sequence appears in math, coding interviews, and even nature. It is a classic example used to teach recursion and series. You'll also find it in financial models and artistic designs. Let's finish with a summary of what we've covered. We've built a recursive function that generates the Fibonacci sequence up to n number of terms. It is a clean, readable approach to learning recursion and array manipulation. Try using different values of n to see how the sequence grows. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.